Hey YouTubers, today I have for you a multi-function knife and tool set. I just got this, so I haven't actually seen it. I opened the tape up, so we don't have to wait about opening up tape. Here's the box it comes in, and I'm just going to open this guy up. And we have two somethings here we'll take a look at. Here's the actual multi-tool. Has a little bit of weight on it, so it's actually, nice little compacted item that has a lot of tools on it. I'll show you the tools. So it's got a lot of tools on it. That's really handy to have when you're doing small projects, or if you're out and about. You could keep this in your car or truck and have several tools available for small projects. It would work out great. And it's all nice and compact down to this. I thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment if you would. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.